Today we're going to learn some words in Te Reo Māori for the playground. Let's start with the word for playground. In Te Reo Māori, the word for playground is papatākaro, which literally translates to playground. As you can see, this isn't just a ground, but it has a huge structure on it. This is the arapiki, or the ladder. Let's climb up. This is the whata, or platform. This is the pouretireti, or fireman's pole. We have the piriti tārere, or swing bridge. And this is the retireti, or slide. Let's go down. Next, let's learn the words for swing. The word for swing in Te Reo Māori is tārere. The next word we will learn is the word for seesaw. The word for seesaw in Te Reo Māori is tiemiemi. Finally, let's learn the word for monkey bars. The word for monkey bars in Te Reo Māori is poumakimaki. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning some words in Te Reo Māori for the playground.